Well, good morning, everyone. David Cook with D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. So we are at a house. We did a video on this a couple months ago where we were stripping wallpaper. So in this room was all wallpaper. We stripped, cleaned it, patched it. A bunch of holes that we did from intercom systems. Another room, all wallpaper, curtains that came down because they're getting ready to sell it. Ceilings got painted. Again, all the walls, stripped all the wallpaper, did all the patching, fixed a couple intercoms that were there. Here was the foyer. Foyer was all wallpaper from floor to ceiling. So all this wallpaper got removed. You can kind of take a look down there. Same wallpaper wrapped around into the dining room, down. And then it continued down to this hallway. It ended at that doorway. This was a light blue that was in here. This bedroom was a dark blue. So it got painted again. And all the paint in here is Simply White by Benjamin Moore. And then this bedroom was a dark, like a midnight blue. So that was 3 coats of paint, primer plus 2 coats of paint, and that in the ceiling, so that got done. And then the bathroom here had a decorative finish on it. It was a sponge painting. So I do some pole sanding on that to get it smooth, but again, 2 coats of paint to get that to the white. And then another bedroom, which was bright, I think it was canary yellow. So all that got painted. There was a TV mount and intercom boxes on this wall and all got fixed. Inside the closet was yellow, that got taken care of. Then as we're moving down the stairs, again, more of the wallpaper that we got taken off of here. In this formal front room, and then in this dining room, they're still doing some other work on here, but this used to be red with a wallpaper on the bottom. So this all got painted, same thing, Simply White. Where else were we? Library. So in this hallway was the same wallpaper that carried through to this family room. The library was a dark green wallpaper, so that got taken off. Everything got painted in there. In here, they had intercoms on that wall that got patched and repaired. Wallpaper in this room got taken off. And then the kitchen was a decorative finish with glazing and sponges. And these used to be, you can see the inside, dark cherry cabinets. So these all got painted. New hardware. The color on this was also Simply White. The only difference is we used cabinet paint for this. The granite was a dark, like a brown black. That got taken out, and now it's the lighter gray, new knobs, new handles. Originally we were gonna take the refrigerator, they were gonna replace it, but they ended up keeping it. So that got painted. Cabinets, backsplash, they've got granite on the, I don't know what it is, granite or whatever. Then another room in there. The little butler pantry or mudroom got painted also. And then hallway had wallpaper starting on that back wall. And then this had green wallpaper. So a lot of wallpaper removal, cabinet painting, regular painting, walls, ceilings. Another thing we didn't do was trim. If you got questions on how your house can look removing wallpaper, definitely give us a call to D'Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.